CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.7 Explain common methods for securing mobile and embedded devices. IoT Device Security. The Internet of Things, also known by the acronym IoT, refers to a network of physical devices, objects, and sensors that are connected to the Internet, allowing them to collect, exchange, and transmit data. These devices include home appliances, IP cameras, home automation systems, streaming media devices, modern car electronics, and medical devices. Many of these IoT devices are also considered embedded devices, which means they are designed to perform specific tasks. Unlike general-purpose computers, embedded devices typically run specialized software to interact with hardware and accomplish dedicated functions. While IoT and embedded devices bring significant convenience and automation to everyday life, they also present serious security challenges, as many are not designed with security in mind. To reiterate, one of the key security issues with IoT and embedded devices is that their manufacturers often prioritize functionality over security. This focus can result in devices that come with weak default passwords, lack proper encryption, or miss out on regular updates and security patches. Additionally, embedded devices are typically built to perform specific tasks, meaning they often run outdated software and have limited hardware resources, making it difficult to implement more advanced security features. Because these devices often share the same network as more critical systems, attackers can exploit the vulnerabilities in IoT and embedded devices in order to gain entry into your network. Improving the security of IoT and embedded devices involves a few key best practices. First, changing the default usernames and passwords on these devices is crucial to prevent unauthorized access. Many devices ship with known default credentials, making them an easy target for attackers. Regularly updating the firmware and applying security patches can also protect against known vulnerabilities. In addition, network segmentation is an effective strategy for isolating IoT devices from more sensitive systems, reducing the potential damage in the event of a breach. Finally, implementing encryption for data transmission is important for ensuring that intercepted data remains secure. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.